We often hear stories of psychic attacks, spirits, and unseen forces influencing people's lives. Some dismiss them as superstition, while others have experienced them firsthand. The man in this story belongs to the latter group, someone who faced relentless psychic disturbances and dark forces that seemed to drain his energy and disturb his peace. For months, he struggled with an overwhelming sense of negativity, unpleasant thoughts, sudden bursts of fear, and an eerie feeling of being watched became a constant in his life. Sleep became restless, and a strange heaviness clouded his mind. No medical condition explained these experiences, yet they persisted. Determined to free himself, he turned to spiritual wisdom. He took a sankalpa, a solemn vow to chant Vishnu Sahasranam 1100 times. This was not just a casual practice but a disciplined commitment to cleanse his mind and environment. To strengthen the effect of his chanting, he followed a strict sattvic lifestyle. He eliminated garlic, onions, meat, and alcohol. Every morning, he would sit in prayer, reciting 1,000 names of Lord Vishnu with unwavering focus. The first few days felt ordinary, but he persisted. By the second week, he noticed a shift. The eerie disturbances that had plagued him began to weaken. His mind, once clouded with fear and doubt, started to feel lighter. By the 40th day, the transformation was undeniable. The negativity had lifted, his sleep was peaceful, his mind was clear, and an unshakable sense of protection surrounded him. The dark forces that once tormented him were gone. Reflecting on his journey, he now firmly believes in the power of Vishnu Sahasranam as a shield against negativity. His advice? Surrender completely to Lord Vishnu with deep devotion. The effects are immense when done with sincerity. However, he also cautions that before committing to a sankalp, one should carefully assess how many recitations are realistically possible each day. The key lies not in rushing but in chanting with faith, consistency, and discipline. This story serves as a reminder spiritual strength is real, and when we align ourselves with divine energy, even the darkest forces